In The End of the World is Just the Beginning by Peter Zeihan, the author presents a comprehensive analysis of the impending global shifts that are likely to reshape the world as we know it. Zeihan, a well-regarded geopolitical strategist, builds his thesis on the premise that the post-World War II global order, underpinned by American military and economic supremacy, is unraveling. This order, which facilitated unprecedented levels of global trade, security, and cooperation, is giving way to a more fragmented and insular world, leading to significant geopolitical, economic, and societal upheavals. Zeihan's argument is structured around the critical pillars that have sustained globalization: transportation, finance, energy, industrial materials, manufacturing, and agriculture. He meticulously examines each sector, revealing how advancements and dependencies in these areas have created a fragile global system susceptible to disruption. A pivotal aspect of Zeihan's analysis is the role of geography in shaping national destinies. He contends that the United States, with its vast arable lands and an extensive network of navigable rivers, particularly the Mississippi, enjoys inherent advantages that have propelled its economic dominance. This geographical bounty, coupled with technological prowess and a relatively stable demographic profile, positions the US favorably in the emerging geopolitical landscape, according to Zeihan. Conversely, Zeihan paints a grim picture for China, predicting significant demographic challenges and economic stagnation as its population ages and the labor cost advantage diminishes. He argues that China's era of rapid growth fueled by cheap labor and substantial foreign investment is nearing an end, with profound implications for global manufacturing and trade patterns. Zeihan also delves into the broader implications of deglobalization, such as the potential for widespread food shortages and the exacerbation of existing geopolitical tensions. He highlights the vulnerabilities of nations heavily reliant on global trade for essential goods, particularly food and energy, underscoring the stark realities of a world marked by increasing nationalism and protectionism. Critics have noted that while Zeihan's book is rich in detail and offers a compelling narrative, some of his predictions may be overly deterministic, underestimating the capacity for technological innovation and political adaptation to mitigate the challenges of deglobalization. Furthermore, some reviews suggest that Zeihan's US-centric viewpoint might overlook the nuances of other regions' strategies to navigate the shifting global order. The End of the World is Just the Beginning presents a thought-provoking vision of the future, compelling readers to consider the profound changes on the horizon for the global system. Whether one agrees with Zeihan's conclusions or not, his book undeniably sparks important discussions about the sustainability of globalization and the shape of the world to come. For those interested in geopolitics and the future of global relations, Zeihan's work offers valuable insights. To explore his detailed analysis and predictions further, you can find the book linked in the description below. We invite you to share your views on Zeihan's thesis and the future of global order. Do you think the world is heading towards increased fragmentation and deglobalization, or will new forms of cooperation and integration emerge? Join the conversation in the comment section. And if you're keen on staying updated with insightful analyses and discussions on global trends, consider subscribing to our channel. Your engagement helps us grow our community of curious and informed viewers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.